Okay, so you have made acrylic skins or you have acrylic paint in a pour box and you've gotten some paint on a surface of some type and you need to get it off. Well, the easiest way to do is to peel it off or scrape off the little pieces with your fingernail once it's dry. Because of the plastic in the paint, it makes it fairly easy to scrape the paint right off. And in the case of a surface like silicone or a acrylic surface, it's very easy to get the paint off, generally speaking. So just scrape it a little bit and you'll be good to go. But what happens if scraping doesn't work and you have a surface that still has residue from acrylic paint? Here you see where there is some acrylic paint, there is also a few drops of alcohol ink on here, but we're just trying to get the acrylic paint off of the surface, which you see as black. So you can try to do that with some water, and you usually can get a little bit off with the water, but once it's dry and kind of smudged in, it gets a little bit more tricky. So go ahead and use some elbow grease and use some water and it works okay. But if you don't want to spend all of that time working on the mat, the easiest thing to do is to use isopropyl rubbing alcohol. This one's about 91%, the higher the better, and you put that in a spray bottle. So just put some in this is a glass bottle, and we're just going to put some in our bottle and we are going to spray that onto our surface. Make sure that your colored surfaces are color safe before you do that, or test it a little bit, or you might have some trouble. So we're just going to spray it on like so, covering the entire mat. This is a great way to clean silicone mats, by the way, or any surface where you have dried paint or smudges, and you just go over that with a paper towel or a cloth and it will take that paint right off of there in general. It's not going to take off the alcohol ink you see, but it is definitely going to take off the black acrylic ink.